In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Google Calendar. This straightforward process will help you organize your events, appointments, and reminders all in one place. Let's get started with these simple steps. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Calendar. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see your main calendar view right away. Google Calendar is designed for ease of use, whether you're a busy professional or just someone trying to keep track of personal events. Now on the left hand side of your screen you'll notice a sidebar. This sidebar is home to your calendar lists and it's where you'll find the section labelled Other Calendars. This section is perfect for creating additional calendars that can help you manage different aspects of your life, be it work, personal events or special projects. Within this sidebar right next to Other Calendars there's a little plus button. Go ahead and click on that. This button is your gateway to adding new calendars. When you click it, a drop down menu will appear offering several options. You want to select Create New Calendar. This option will lead you to a new window where the magic happens. In this new window you have the opportunity to name your calendar. Choose a name that best represents what this calendar will encompass, whether it's something like work projects, family events, or even fitness goals. A descriptive name makes it easier for you and anyone you share it with to know instantly what it's for. Below where you enter the name, you have the option to add a description. Although this is optional, adding a description can be quite helpful. It allows you to provide more context about what kinds of events or appointments will be added to this calendar. This additional information can be a handy reminder for you and others as you use your calendar. Once you're satisfied with the name and the description, assuming you chose to add one, there's just one more thing to do in this window. Look for the Create Calendar button and give it a click. This button finalizes your new calendar, adding it to your list of calendars and making it ready for use. After hitting Create Calendar, you will return to the main view and voila! Your newly created calendar will appear in the list on the left sidebar, ready for you to start adding events. You can toggle its visibility anytime by clicking on it, which is convenient when you're juggling multiple calendars. And just like that, you've set up a new Google Calendar. With your new calendar in place, you can organize your events with ease and keep track of everything that's important to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you expand your digital organization tools. Happy scheduling!